All right, let's work one that was similar to the previous problem. We have, let's see here, we've got something going on. 60xy minus 15x squared plus 4y squared, and that's all over 5xy. We're going to break this up since we have a monomial down here in the denominator, and then simplify 60xy over 5xy plus, whoops, that is not plus, that is minus 15x squared over 5xy plus 4y squared over 5xy. All right, let's simplify each one of these. So we have an x and a y, both in the numerator and denominator, and 5 goes into 60 12 times. So that really broke down, didn't it? Minus, we have 1x in the denominator, 2 in the numerator. So one of those can cancel out up there in the numerator. We have a 5 and a 15, so 5 goes into 15 3 times. So we're going to have 3x, and we just rewrite the y. Plus, what do we got here? We have 1y in the denominator, 2 in the numerator. So really, the only thing that's going to go on here is we're going to have 4y over 5x. All right, now this long division of polynomials, this would probably be the fastest way of doing that, I do believe. The fastest way. Yep. Okay, let's look at another one. All right, something different here. We have 5x squared minus 11x minus 14 over x minus 3. Now we have a binomial in the denominator, so we can't do what we did in the last problem. So we're going to do this long division technique. X minus 3. Okay, remember that is our divisor. Our dividend is 5x squared minus 11x minus 14. Okay, and now we got to find the quotient. Okay, so we take a look at this. We have x, 5x squared. So remember, that's like writing 5x squared over x and then simplifying it down. Okay, so 5x squared over x reduces down to 5x. We write that right here. Now in the previous problem, I think I ended up writing that term over here in that position, which wasn't correct, but I think I tried to make that correction. Now what we do is go ahead and multiply the 5x back to the x, and that gives us 5x squared. And then multiplying 5x times the minus 3 there, it's going to give us a negative 15x. Negative 15x. Okay, draw a line. And then we take their difference. So you put a minus sign out here, which is going to end up changing this to a plus. Okay, changes that to a plus because we're really distributing the negative 1 across. Alright, so then we do the math. And I can see we're going to be doing a lot of rolling the screen here. So 5x squared minus 5x squared is 0. Negative 11x plus 15x is going to give us a 4x. Okay, a 4x. And then we'll go ahead and bring down the 14 here. Alright, now what we're going to do is we go back, look at our x. So 4x over x reduces down to 4. And we'll write that right up here. Plus 4. Okay, up in the quotient. And so then we go back. We go 4 times x is 4x. 4. Make that a little better, 4 there. 4 times 3, but that's a minus 3, so that's going to make that minus 12. Okay, minus 12. Now remember what we do. We go minus. It's going to change that sign to a plus. 4x minus 4x is 0. Negative 14 plus 12 is negative 2. Negative 2. So now we can write this out. Okay, write your quotient, which is 5x plus 4. So 5x plus 4, okay, minus 2 over, okay, that's our remainder, over our divisor, which is x minus 3. All right, and you can always check your work. Take this guy and multiply it out and get all one single fraction, numerator over denominator. Right, and you should end up with where we started, which was there. Okay. All right, enough said. I think we did enough here. We got lots of other problems to work. All right, see you in the next problem.